चमसः एषः कः
एषः चमसः
चमसः एषः कः
एषः चषकः
चषकः एषः So chashakaha is a pullinga word, masculine gender. Chamasaha is a pullinga word, masculine gender. Then you may be wondering, how is a chamasa masculine gender? It is just a thing. Chashaka is also a thing. In Sanskritam, the gender is for the word, not necessarily the thing. So when we say chamasaha, pullinga shabdaha, we are saying the word chamasaha is that word is in masculine gender. Don't worry about this thing whether this is a male or female. We are not saying that. The word chamasaha, pullinga shabdaha. The word chashakaha, pullinga shabdaha. Deepaha. 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 Pullinga shabdaha. So it does not mean this is masculine. No. We are only saying the word deepa, which is used to mean this, is in masculine gender. So deepaha. Yeshaha. Yeshaha deepaha. Yeshaha is also in pullinga, masculine gender. So you have to use the appropriate. Yeshaha deepaha. You cannot translate word to word, but the sentence you can say, you can translate in English. So, yeshaha kaha can be translated into like what is this? But if you literally try to take word by word and translate, you will get like who is this or some wrong translation. That's why you should not do word to word, do at the sentence level. So, yeshaha kaha is the question in Sanskrit. In English, the question will be something like what is this? So don't try to figure out the word to word. Don't do that. Yeshaha, yeshaha kaha.
एषः दीपः
Yeshaha deepaha. Yeshaha, yeshaha kaha.
एषः चषकः
Yeshaha kaha.
एषः चमसः एषः कः एषः रघुः
So when the thing is close to you, you do this yeshaha. If the thing is away,
सः कः सः कः सः रघुः सः रघुः
yeshaha, yeshaha, yeshaha kaha.
सः चषकः सः चषकः
Yeshaha kaha.
सः चषकः
Yeshaha kaha.
सः चमसः सः एषः कः
सः दीपः. सः कः. सः दीपः.
एषः कः
सः दीपः. सः दीपः. सः कः.
एषः दीपः
So when you are close to the thing, the usage is eshaha kaha. एषः दीपः. When it is away, सः. सः. सः कः? सः दीपः. सः दीपः. सूर्ये सः कः?
एषः दीपः.
See, when I ask a question, since it is away from me, I am saying saha kaha. But that is close to Surya, so when she is replying, she is saying Yeshaha Deepaha. It's close to her. Now see, the Chamasa is close to me. I will say Yeshaha. Yeshaha Chamasaha. Yeshaha kaha. Yeshaha Chamasaha. Surya. Yeshaha kaha.
सः चमसः.
Yeshaha Chamasaha. See the difference? Chamasa is close to me, so I say Yeshaha kaha. Yeshaha Chamasaha. But for Surya, she is away. For her, Chamasa is away from her, so she has to use saha. Yeshaha kaha.
सः चमसः.
Chamasaha. Ashvaha. Ashvaha. Yeshaha kaha. Yeshaha Ashvaha. Surya. Yeshaha kaha.
सः अश्वः.
Ashvaha. Yeshaha Ashvaha. Saha. Saha Deepaha. Saha Deepaha. Saha Deepaha. Yeshaha Ashvaha. Yeshaha Ashvaha. Yeshaha Ashvaha. Saha Deepaha. Yeshaha Deepaha.
एषः दीपः. सः अश्वः.
Got it? So that is the Punlinga. Yeshaha Saha. If it is close to you, then say Yeshaha. Far away, Saha. Kaha is the question word. Yeshaha kaha. Yeshaha kaha. Yeshaha Ashvaha. Yeshaha kaha. Yeshaha Chamasaha. Like that. Now let us take Napumsakalinga. Pustakam. Abhyasa Pustakam. Ye tat kim. Ye tat kim. Ye tat pustakam. Ye tat kim. Ye tat pustakam. Surya. Ye tat kim.
एतत् पुस्तकम्.
Ye tat kim.
एतत् पुस्तकम्.
Puspam. Puspam. Surya. Etat kim.
एतत् पुष्पम्.
Etat kim.
एतत् पुष्पम्.
Upanetram. Upanetram. Etat kim.
एतत् उपनेत्रम्.
Etat kim.
एतत् उपनेत्रम्. एतत् किम्.
Etat upanetram. Etat upanetram. Etat. Surya. Etat kim upanetram. Etat kim.
तत् उपनेत्रम्. तत् किम्.
Etat upanetram. Surya. Tat kim.
एतत् पुष्पम्.
Tat puspam. Tat puspam. Tat kim.
एतत् पुष्पम्.
Etat kim.
एतत् किम्.
Tat puspam. Tat puspam.
एतत् किम्
तत् पुस्तकं
एतत् किम्
तत् पुस्तकं तत् पुस्तकं तत् किम्
एतत् पुस्तकम्
पुष्पं तत् किम्
एतत् पुष्पं
छत्रं तत् किम्
एतत् छत्रं
तत् किम्
एतत् छत्रं
कन्दुकं तत् किम्
एतत् कन्दुकम्
एतत् किम्
एतत् किम्
तत् कन्दुकं तत् कन्दुकम्
एतत् किम्
तत् छत्रं तत् छत्रम् पुष्पं छत्रं कन्दुकं कंकणं kankatam, but kankatam has no use for me now, right? But kankatam, karyanam, karyanam. So these words are in napumsakalinga, neuter gender. The words are in neuter gender. Since the word is in neuter gender, so you say ye tat. If it is close to you, you say ye tat chatram, ye tat chatram, ye tat. If it is away, you say tat, ye tat tat. And the question word is kim, ye tat kim, ye tat chatram. Tat kim, tat chitram, bhava chitram, chitram, tat chitram. Ye tat tat. And the common mistake will be, say, chamasaha, chamasaha. What should be the sarvanama for chamasaha? It should be ye shaha chamasaha. You cannot use ye tat chamasaha. Students will do that mistake in the beginning. Why you cannot say ye tat chamasaha? Why you have to say ye shaha chamasaha? Because, like I explained, the word chamasaha, the word, don't worry about the thing. The word chamasaha is in Punlinga. So you have to use the sarvanama, which is also in Punlinga, which is yeshaha. Yeshaha chamasaha. Yeshaha chamasaha match. Chamasaha is in Punlinga. Yeshaha is also in Punlinga. Chatram is napumsakalinga. So ye tat is the napumsakalinga sarvanama. So for chatram, you have to say ye tat. You cannot say ye shaha chatram. Chatram. You have to say ye tat chatram. Ashwaha. Ashwaha punlinga shabdaha. So you have to say ye shaha kaha. Ye shaha ashwaha. You cannot say ye tat ashwaha. Wrong. Why? Gender mismatch. Gender of what? The word ashwaha. The word ashwaha is in Purlinga. Ashwaha. Yeshaha ashwaha. Now we'll go into Strilinga. Thalika. Thalika. Akaranta Strilinga Shabdaha. Thalika. Yesha Thalika. Yesha Thalika. Duravani. Duravani. Strilinga Shabdaha. So you cannot say ye tat kim. You have to say yesha ka. Yesha Duravani. Yesha. एषा दूरवाणी, एषा स्थालिका, एषा अंकनी। सूर्य, एषा का,
एषा अंकनी,
एषा का,
एषा स्थालिका, एषा का,
एषा लेखनी, एषा का,
एषा लेखनी।
सूर्य, एषा का,
सा लेखनी,
एषा का,
सा दूरवाणी,
एषा का,
सा घंटा,
एषा का,
सा घंटा,
एषा, एषा का,
एषा घंटा,
एषा घंटा, एषा का,
एषा दूरवाणी,
एषा का,
एषा लेखनी,
एषा का।
एषा स्थालिका।
So for stealing a word, esha, if it is close to you, esha. The question word is ka, esha ka, esha ka, esha duravani, esha lekhani, esha. If it is away, then you say sa, esha sa. Esha surya,
एषः रघुः, सः कः, सः रघुः,
सूर्या, सा का, सा सूर्या, सा सूर्या। एषः कः,
एषः कः, एषः रघुः,
एषा का, एषा सूर्या। So to recapitulate, to summarize, in Punlinga, if it is close to you, say Ashvaha, Eshaha Ashvaha, Eshaha Kaha, Eshaha, Saha Kaha, Saha Ashvaha. Strilinge, Esha Ka, if it is close to you. Away from you, Sa Ka, Sa Lekhani, Sa Duravani, Sa Surya. In Napumsakalinga, Ye Tat Tat Pustakam, Ye Tat Pustakam, Ye Tat Kim, Ye Tat Pustakam, Tat Kim, Tat Pustakam.